This mouth-watering biryani combines the flavors of aromatic spices, basmati rice, and a medley of vegetables to create a dish that is truly satisfying. Let us start by washing and soaking the rice. Make sure you're washing the rice gently just to remove the excess starch, which gives us more fluffier and less sticky rice grains. After washing it 2 to 3 times, let it soak for about 40 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare our birista. Birista gives a crunchy texture and onion flavor to our dish. Take about 4 medium-sized onions and cut them into thin slices. Now add these thin slices to hot oil. Keep stirring gently to make sure all the onion slices are being fried evenly. After the onions have turned translucent or pinkish color, let them cook for another 5 to 10 minutes where you'll see a nice golden brown color. At this stage, transfer the onions onto a paper towel to absorb the excess oil. And now let's marinate our vegetables. Here I've taken carrot, potato, beans, cauliflower, peas, 1/3 cup each. You can use any other vegetable of your choice if you would like to. Then add beaten curd, salt, turmeric powder, red chili powder. You can adjust the amount of red chili powder according to your spice level. Then add coriander powder, biryani masala, ginger garlic paste, half of the fried onions, then oil left over after frying the onion. This adds really good flavor to the biryani. Then add chopped coriander leaves, fresh mint leaves, juice of half a lemon. Lemon juice helps to neutralize and balance all the flavors which we have added here. Start mixing and make sure that all the vegetables are coated well in the marinade and let it rest for about 30 minutes. The next step is to fry the paneer pieces. Here I've used the same oil which is left over after frying the onions and added paneer cubes to it. And I've tossed the paneer pieces till they are nice golden brown in color and take them into a plate and put it aside. The next step is to prepare the saffron milk. Add a few saffron stands to warm milk to give its distinct flavor, aroma and a vibrant golden yellow color to the biryani. It's been 30 minutes, so in a pan let's take some onion oil and add the marinated vegetables and make sure you're cooking the vegetables till you see that the water is evaporating and the oil starts separating from the vegetables. Turn off the stove and put the vegetables aside. Now let's cook the rice. In boiling water, add all the mentioned whole garam masalas, 2 lemon slices, 2 slit green chilies, salt, again same fried onion oil, and the soaked rice. Let the rice boil at high flame for 1 minute, at medium flame for 3 minutes, and you'll have perfectly cooked rice, which is almost about 80% cooked. Gently fluff the rice and discard the lemon wedges. And now let's start layering our biryani. In a thick or heavy bottom pan, add oil, then start adding the layers of vegetables, paneer, cooked rice, saffron milk, the remaining fried onions, handful of chopped coriander leaves, handful of fresh mint leaves, ghee to enhance the flavor. Now place the vessel on tawa and cover it with the aluminum foil and place the lid. Make sure it is sealed from all the sides. Let it cook on high flame for about 5 minutes and low flame for about 15 minutes. Open the lid after giving a resting time of 10 minutes and fluff the rice gently, and the vegetable dum biryani is ready to be served. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to check my other videos for more delicious and easy to make dishes. Enjoy and subscribe for more. Thank you.